Alright, so in today's video, Happy New Year, I want to go and talk about airdrops that you can go and claim right now in case you have missed them, so make sure to stick until the end, listen closely, because you have less money on the table on 2025, so let's go and grab that. And with that said, we jump straight into up to the first one are all the Moonbird soulbound NFTs. Moonbird has already confirmed an airdrop, so make sure to go and claim all of them. They're free to go and claim. They're basically, you interacted with Jupiter, you get one, you interacted with Orca, you get one, you interacted with Cairo, you get one. So very simple, straightforward, and all are for free. As we see here, I already got myself 3, and Bird is gonna have an airdrop very soon. They already confirmed the Bird token right here. Next up, make sure to go and sign up to Wix. Wix is exchange partner, is a non-KYC, and as we see here, you have the possibility with the new year to win every chance you get to simply one a day, plus you get tickets for the trading amount that you do. So the link will be down below. You get an iPhone 17 Pro Max, you get a USD coupon, 30 weeks token, USD position, Ethereum, Bitcoin, 10 USD. So you win every spin that you go and do. So we'll leave the link down below and simply go and sign up. And as we see here, you have 4 days to go before this one ends. Sign up and make sure to go and win some money. Here we got all the people that are winning their token, their coupon, etc. So you can be the next one as well. You get more entry if you simply go and trade more. So the link will be down below. Make sure to get going trading over on Wix. And also one super important update over on Wix. And why do I partner with them? Well, they just partner with La Liga, the actual Spanish football league, and it's absolutely amazing, establishing them even more. And as we see here, yes, I do utilize them, yes, I use them a lot, and yes, I do like them also because of this beautiful partnership that I got going on. And as we see here, I do have my position open with them, my $400 21x short on Bitcoin. As I did say to you, and we have seen it already before, I am short on Bitcoin. I think it's gonna go lower, and here you see it. I have opened it, so come and trade with me, come and get your rewards. And of course, GG to Wix for becoming the official partner of La Liga, which is absolutely amazing. And this is why they're also celebrating giving you away some of their free items, which is my partner exchange. And next up, we have the Brevis airdrop right here. So for this one, connect your Discord, connect your Twitter account. For example, as you see here, super simple. It opens up the new page. You go and authorize the app, and as we see, check your eligibility, and you're good to go. If you're able to connect or not, you see this one the same with your wallet. So simply go and connect your wallet, which of course is going to be the source for the majority of the airdrop that you're gonna receive. Connect the wallet right here, MetaMask or anybody else that you have, and simply you are good to go. Let me know your allocation down in comments below if you're eligible for this airdrop. Next up, we have the Espresso airdrop right here. Come to this page, link will be down below. Connect wallet, click on MetaMask or Phantom or Kepler or whatever one you want, and as we see here, you are good to go as well. You click on connect, and we have it. So here, if you will be eligible, you will see here that you are eligible for it. If you're not eligible, then just like me, just like myself, you're not gonna see anything. Super simple and easy to go and do. Next up, we have the ZK Pass airdrop, which you simply go and connect to this page right here. Once you go and load it, the link will be down below. The pop-up is gonna open here. You simply click on confirm, and you check your allocation, and if you're eligible, it will tell you how much you have received. If not, you are not eligible. So just like me, not eligible for this one. Super simple. Next up, we do have the Theoric airdrop right here. Connect your wallet and whatever one you got, your EVM wallet. Click over to next, check your eligibility, and if you are eligible, you will see it right here. If you're not eligible, just like myself, you will not go and see anything. Next up, we also have the RateX airdrop. Now this one, you can go and claim it over on Solana or on the BNB chain. If you click over to the BNB chain, simply click over here, it redirects you to this page, and if you are eligible, you connect your wallet, in this case, for example, MetaMask. Click on connect, and if you're eligible, you will see it straight right here as we see eligible or not eligible. Super simple to understand, it pretty much straightforward, and this is all that you need. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you all in tomorrow's. Hope you had a good celebration. The grind never stops, and in 2026 we're gonna be doing even bigger things. Thank you, and see you later. Ciao, guys.